In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth on and off missing on Windows 11 and Windows 10. So if your Bluetooth function is missing the on and off button here, then I'm going to show you how you can easily fix this. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when your Bluetooth on and off button is missing on your Windows computer is to try to restart your Windows computer. That is just the basic troubleshooting tips. So doing this might easily fix this on your Windows computer. So those, you can just press the Windows X and then press U. Then you should see the restart button. Then go ahead and click on the restart button, or better still, click on the start menu. Then click on this power icon and here click on restart to restart your Windows computer. So once you restart your Windows computer, this is probably fixed the Bluetooth button missing. If your Bluetooth on and off button is still missing, is click the start button, search for device manager, then open it. On the device manager page, you want to locate your Windows Bluetooth. This, click on the arrow icon before it, and make sure you locate the Bluetooth name. Then make sure you right click on update driver, then search automatically for update. If there is an update available, try to download and install this update on your Windows computer. Now another troubleshooting tips you want to use to fix on and off missing on your Windows computer is click on the start button on your Windows, then click on settings. On the settings page, come to this left side and click on Bluetooth and devices. Then scroll down. Here on this page, click on view more devices. Then scroll down under latest settings. Make sure you click on more Bluetooth settings. Now once you click on that, then click on options. And make sure show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area is enabled. Go ahead and click on that. Then click on apply. Then click on OK. There you go. Then you should see the Bluetooth device added to your notification icon area. If you click on this, like this is going to open the Bluetooth function on your device. So this is how you can easily fix the Bluetooth on and off missing on Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.